Hi, my name is Hoang. I'm a professional services consultant with Trellix, and today I'll be demonstrating how to use basic command line options for the Trellix agent. On a Windows client, launch CMD or PowerShell and navigate to C Program Files McAfee Agent. You can launch the interface by running cmdagent.exe-s. To display information regarding the current agent installation, run the -I switch. You'll notice there's information regarding the agent version and the EPO server it's currently communicating to. To send any pending events to EPO from the local system, run the -F switch. To enforce policies the system already has, run the -E switch. To check for new policies from the EPO server, run the -C switch. To initiate a collect and send props operation, run the -P switch. This option will send an update to EPO with local system properties, as well as check for new policies, enforce those policies, and send any pending events to EPO. To view all available switches, use the -H switch. The majority of the commands are also available on Linux and Mac. Here I will remotely connect to a Mac system via SSH using a PuTTY client. The same CMD agent binary and switches are available by going to the library McAfee agent bin directory. And that is how you use the basic command line options for the Trellix agent. Thanks for watching. Check back for more Trellix product insights.